Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn one derivation based question, that is integrated rate law for first order reaction. A reaction whose rate depends on the reactant concentration raised to first power is called as first order reaction. We are going to derive rate constant by using rate law for first order reaction. We are going to derive rate constant for first order reaction. What is first order? A reaction whose rate depends on the reactant concentration raised to the first power is called as first order reaction. Example, rate is directly proportional to initial concentration of A. Power 1 means that if power 1 means that is called as first order reaction. A rate depends on the reactant concentration. Rate depends on reactant concentration. Here reactant is A raised to the first power is called as first order reaction. Let us consider one following first order reaction. This is the example for first order reaction. A gives product. The rate of the reaction depend only one reactant, that is A. So this is called as first order reaction. By using rate law, we can write rate is directly proportional to initial concentration of reactant. Rate is directly proportional to, here reactant is A, so concentration of A power 1, because this is the first order. If you cut proportional and add equal means you must add one constant, so only the equation become rate is equal to K into concentration of A power 1. So this equation only becomes rate is equal to K concentration of A power 1, because this is the first order reaction. For this reaction only we are going to derive rate constant value. For that, first you have to write the rate equation based on rate law. Rate law means already you know, rate is directly proportional to initial concentration of reactant power 1. Rate is directly proportional to, in this reaction reactant is A power 1. Proportional if you cut proportional and add equal means you must add one constant, so only this equation rate is equal to K into concentration of A power 1. In this equation equal to Ka1, K concentration of A power 1, that is same only. Instead of rate, here we are substituting minus dA by dt. Instead of rate, here minus dA by dt is given, because already you know the definitions for rate. Rate means what? Change in concentration of reactant or product divided by time taken. Rate is equal to change in concentration of reactant or product divided by time taken. Divided by time taken, that only given here, divided by dt. Change means difference. Change in concentration of reactant or product, here reactant only given. If rate is expressed in terms of reactant means we must add negative symbol, because if reaction proceeds means the concentration of reactant is decreases, For that only here we are adding minus. So rate is equal to minus dA by dt. So only instead of rate here they are given minus dA by dt is equal to k into concentration of A power 1. If you rearranging the equations, that means this A goes this side, means minus dA by A is equal to this dt goes that side, means k into dt. So if you are rearranging this equations, means you will get this equations, minus dA by dt is equal to k into dt. Now we are going to do the integration part. We are going to integrate this equation. So integrate the above equation. Already you may studied in your max subject, integration, differentiation, like that. If you don't know, means here I will teach one formula here. So integrate the above equation between the limit, time limit t is equal to 0, time limit t is equal to 0 and t, and concentration term A0 to A. A0, A means reactant, A0 means initial concentration of reactant. Initially how much reactant we have taken, means that is called as initial concentration of reactant A, that is represented as A0. Next to initial concentration of A at particular time t, the concentration of A is represented by concentration of A. So in this paragraph they are telling about the integration. Usually integration takes place between two limits. For time the limit is, for time the limit is 0 to t. This is the integration symbol, the limit is 0 to t. For concentration, this is the integration symbol, for concentration the limit is concentration of A0 to concentration of A. So that integration is applied. So minus dA by A, that only given here, minus dA by A, that only given here, k dt, that is also given here. Additionally integration symbol is given, integration symbol here 0 to t, here concentration of A0 to concentration of A, that only given. For solving this equation you must have some knowledge about integration. For understanding this line, for understanding these equations, for understanding this equation you must know about something integration. No issue, I will teach one formula. In integration one formula is there, integration dx by x is equal to log x plus c. Integration dx by x is equal to log x. This ln means what? Ln means we can pronounce ln x or log base e. This ln is called as log base e. So integration minus dx by x is equal to log x. We are going to apply this equation into this equation, Here instead of x, here concentration of A is there, here also instead of x concentration of A is there. So in formula ln, so ln instead of x you have to put concentration of A, ln concentration of A, this minus, same minus only given here. So minus log A, minus ln A, minus ln A. So this minus ln A is obtained from the differentiation formula. In this formula, the limit is applied from concentration of A0 to concentration of A. Usually upper limit minus lower limit is applied. So this is the limit, this is called as upper limit and this is called as lower limit. First you have to substitute upper limit into this formula. So minus log upper limit is concentration of A minus lower limit minus log lower limit is concentration of A0. So minus into minus, minus into minus plus, so it is changed into minus minus log A plus log A naught. So in this formula minus log A, these limits are applied. This is called as upper limit, this is called as lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit, both are substituted in this equation. So here upper limit is concentration of A, that concentration of A is substituted in this formula, means you will get minus log A. So this is upper limit minus lower limit. So in this formula lower limit is applied. So in minus log A, this A0 is applied, means you will get minus log A naught. So this minus and this minus, minus into minus is equal to plus. So minus log A, minus into minus plus, plus log A naught is equal to k into T, because here in this side k integration dt is given. Here also one formula is applied, integration dx is equal to x. So integration dt is equal to t. So integration dt means the formula is t only. In that formula limit is applied 0 to t. Here also upper limit minus lower limit only. So k into, in this formula upper limit t is substituted, means you will get t minus lower limit. In the t the limit 0 is applied, means you will get 0. So k into t minus 0, that is kt. So log A naught minus log A. In log one more formula is there, log A minus log B is equal to log A by B. One more example, log 2 minus log 3 is equal to log 2 by 3. In log, if minus is there, means we can convert into division. So here log A naught minus log A, here minus is there, so we can convert log A naught by A. So only in this step this is converted to, this equation is converted to log A naught by A is equal to kt. For converting log base e to log base 10, that value it should be multiplied by 2.303. So only here 2.303 value is multiplied into log A naught by A is equal to kt. This log base e is converted to log base 10 by multiplying the value 2.303. We can convert log base e to log base 10 by multiplying the value 2.303. So, this equation is in the natural logarithm log base e. To convert it to usual logarithm with base 10, we have to multiply the term 2.303. So, if you rearrange the equation, means which equation? K is equal to, in this equation t comes this side, means you will get 2.303 by t log a naught by a. This is the final equation.